Social Science, Grade 7, Block 15, Role of the State Government, LP3, Private and Public Healthcare by teacher Shikha. Students will be able to identify that despite the state government's efforts, people's access to healthcare is determined by their economic status. Children, one of the duties of a state government is to make sure that people have access to quality health care to prevent or cure disease. Healthcare is a basic need to which everyone is entitled. Today in this video we will learn about how opportunities and access to healthcare vary in our country. Children, please read the comic strip from your content book from the section Public and Private Healthcare. You can draw a Venn diagram shown on the screen in your notebook and write differences between Salma and Samita's medical treatment in the hospital. Please do write one similarity between both and find differences between the hospitals by asking which of the two hospitals were cheaper, which hospital did Salma go to, and Samita. How many days did Samita have to go there? Children, now let's discuss the activity. Where did Salma get treated for fever? And Samita, why could not Samita go to the same hospital as Salma? How was the treatment different? Whose treatment was cheaper? Why do you think so? So, children, Salma was treated in a private hospital and Samita was treated in the government hospital. Samita could not go to the private hospital because the cost of treatment there was too high for Samita's father. Salma got her tests and medicines on the same day, while Samita had to go to the hospital twice. In the end, both got cured. Samita's treatment was cheaper than Salma's because the government hospital's services cost less than those of a private hospital. Private hospitals very costly, many facilities poor people cannot afford. Government hospitals cheaper than private hospitals has many patients. Both poor and rich people can afford treatment. Children, let's generalize our discussion. How is private hospital different from a government hospital? Can all people go to the same kind of hospital? Why? So, children, private hospitals charge more for their services than government hospitals. A government hospital is run by the government and its services are cheaper than private hospitals, which are run by one person or group. Though private hospitals may have better medical facilities, not everyone can afford the high cost. Many people choose to go to government hospitals because their services cost less. Children, I have a question. Which do you think is better? A private hospital or a government hospital? Why? So, children, a private hospital may have better medical facilities, while a government hospital can be more affordable to all. Okay, children, now it's time for some application. Please try to solve your worksheet on your own. Also, do read your content book and mark your difficult points to be discussed during online class session. As all the students should be able to list the features of healthcare. Also can identify that despite the state government's efforts, people's access to Healthcare is determined by their economic status. Hope the topic is clear to you, children. Have a great day ahead. Take care of your near and dear ones. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you.